about your battery? Where is it?
Everything underneath here.
What is it?
XS Power Titans.
Yeah, 5 of them.
Okay, what's the amp hours on them?
10 AH.
Is it like the little?
It's the scheme cells.
Okay.
Yeah.
These tins, right?
Yeah. I got your stick in the back, but when you get out.
Yeah, I saw that, right, yeah. So it's 612s in there?
There's 4 back here and 1 behind these seats.
Oh, behind you?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
4 back there.
4?
Yeah. It was X's, but
okay,
we
2 behind you, 2 over here.
Yeah. So there was X's, but we took the X's out and did a custom recone.
Okay.
Yeah. It sounds way better.
That's something right there, where you got to design this truck.
Yeah. I mean, he came up with the design. I'm like, shit, let's go for it. You know, all that here, we were running out of rooms. I'm like, I don't want nothing back of the bed.
Then you got a lot of leg room. What do you mean? So what's the tuning on it though?
Huh?
What's the tuning?
The tuning, I know it's about what, 24?
What's that?
The tuning.
The tuning is 27 in the rear.
27.
27.
Yeah.
In the rear, front, we're still kind of bringing it to octave.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is a 6. I seen them Porsche back there.
Yeah, 6.5. You know it's not a real thing, but DVAs.
Right. Golly. This, what's the one of this? 20?
20 kick, yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Is you fuck it? 2 shots, fuck it. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Is you fuck it? 2 shots, fuck it. In the side, 2 ways. We talk like 2 pay. Slipping on the pussy like 2 hey. Wanna be enough for these 2 ways. Nigga, I'm a dog. Nigga, I wanna tell it like 2 hey. Nigga, I'm a dog. Is you fucking 2 shots, fuck it. On the so I'ma throw it back on the face time. Got a nigga you ain't never seen, yeah, cause I ain't never met him in a day.
Before you get in it, they get a little hot, they get heat coming up. When that heat comes, I be like,
I ain't lying, it's my first time feeling it. But we ain't breaking it in yet.
yeah, I know.
We just put it together. So this is really our first time just pushing it hard.
Right.
So I end up with another 20 kills, man.
Right. Another one?
Yeah. up when you go to clip.
Yeah. That's what's up.
Give me that money, that nigga, you knowin' that I'ma do right with it. Private charter, they snorting that tartar. I got them surrounded by white women. I got them looking like Paris Hilton. Each one of my teeth got a carrot in it. Hey, I think my blood race. All he seen is white. They going dumb in the phone when I'm I went out and got her some ass to live. Grinding independently, showing no sympathy. Don't let the industry gas a nigga. When bumping some diamonds, private charter, they snorting that tartar. I got them surrounded by white women. I got them looking like Paris Hilton. Each one of my teeth got a carrot in it. Hey, I think my blood race. All they seen is white. They going dumb. I went out and got her some ass to live. Grinding independently, showing no sympathy. Don't let the industry gas a nigga. When bought me some diamonds, I did it for myself, but I never really been flashing with it. Kicking myself in the